Red Devil. I know my face is super dark right now. I'm also good. Thank you for asking, Palangga. Adonis, Palangga, help me out. I am like 5K away, no, 4K away from my quota. Hi, Dusty. Hi, Shan. Habol quota, Palangga. Ikaw ba? Hi, Shan. Ano gawa mo? I don't know about the challenge. I don't know how to do that. Honestly, I'm just being honest right now. Are you doing well ba? Palangga? Di mo ba ako na-miss? Look up. Sige, dropan mo ako 500. Baka gawin ko. Char. I mean, are you Tagalog or English? Sorry. Wait, I can't see. Nasa work po me. Oh, okay. Are you busy? Busy pa ba ikaw right now? Elegedo. Pablo? Hello, Pablo. It's so Makati. Tignan nyo. It's red. Hi, Lawrence. You should help me out. Char. Hi, Narco. Yan. Ano yun? I didn't see. Are you really busy right now, Palangga? Ano ka? Um, hardworking person. Kino, J-Max, King Vong. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Thank you, Lawrence. Yes, medyo busy. Oh, okay. Thank you for coming here kahit busy ka Palangga. Thank you, ha. Hi, RR Boo. Herbu? Alons? What's Alons? Like wave? Waves? Ganun. Hi, Gab. Sub Onyx. Hello, Sub Onyx. Ray. Ray84. Hello. Hi, Vince. Renegade. Renegade. Salamat pa rin sa pagpunta, Palangga, ah. Kahit busy ka. Buti naririnig mo ako. Naka-airpods ka siguro. Baka kasi nag-scroll ka lang, tapos hindi ka makarinig. Tic-tac. Tic-tac-toe. Always luxury. Luxury synonyms. What? I'm talking to Palangga. Map. Oh, kaya nga sabi ko. Nagtanong ako if naka-airpods ka. Naka-airpods talaga.